Alright guys, we're staying consistent with the trade recaps. Today made $200. Basically exactly. Uh, as you can see, this is the trade we took right here. I'm gonna just get into it and show you kind of why and how I made $200. First off, I want to say I know you see it didn't hit full TP. We were break even at a 1-to-1, but while moving my stop loss to a 1-to-1, I was kind of messing with the take profit a little bit, and I accidentally like closed the position. So I ended up like closing the position right around here. I did not mean to do that. It should have been a break even day. Uh, but fortunately, somehow the position closed, and we did take a $200 win. But other than that, we wouldn't have taken a loss today. It was a guaranteed at least break even day, so that is good. Get into this trade right here. Yeah, so this is ES, this is NQ as always, but going into today, we were bullish just because we're still trading these all-time high markets, but we did have um, an SMT. Um, it's kind of hard to like show now just because let me see. Yeah, we had thing, man. Yeah, we had an SMT right here. So as you can see, from these lows right here, we took out all this liquidity down here, and that was kind of just at like 9:30 market open, and then as you can see on ES, we didn't take out any of these lows. So um, right off that, we were looking for buys. We also swept Asian and London lows with being bullish on the day. Immediately started looking for buys. Um, scaled down um, to the 30 second. Scaled down to the 30 second, and now I was looking for, since we already got the SMT, I was now looking for an internal SMT. So we actually did end up getting that right here. Let me show you. It was right here, I'm pretty sure, at 942. Yeah, this was the internal SMT. So we ended up, as we were going up, we swept, I'll mark it out right here, swept this low right here from 942 or 940 to 942, while on NQ we did not sweep the low right there. So yeah, once we saw that, we were um, obviously looking for entries. I wasn't wanting to wait all the way up here for this 30 second inversion, because I mean that missed, like if I would have done that, I would have missed a lot of the move, and my stop loss would have been way too big. So what we did is we waited for a break of structure right here. As you can see, we got the break of structure on this candle, entered in with 3 micros, and this trade did sit in a little bit of drawdown, but overall we did come up, hit the 1-to-1. This was like a 1-to-2 really, but we were targeting these London highs that had not been taken out yet. But I still wanted to see them to get taken out. As I said, I didn't mean to actually secure this profit, which is kind of a good thing, but I locked myself out already. No more trades. But yeah, overall it was still a good trading day because as you can see, this was my break even point. This was a 1-to-1. As you can see right here on this line, it's a 1-to-1. So I was break even on that 1-to-1, so it wouldn't have been a loss on the day. So yeah, but it's just kind of nice that we got to secure a win for today. Little $200 profit, but yeah, definitely stuck to my rules, and what I've been um, what I've been figuring out that helps me a lot is the night before, when I'm still in a good mindset, I'll go right here, and I will set the daily loss limit to $200. I'll do that the night before when I'm in the right headspace, right? Because if you if you don't have that on, it's a lot easier to revenge trade when you're in a bad headspace and just be like, oh, let me just revenge trade, and then you're down um, a lot more. Then you're down a lot more than you should be, right? So I took this $200 win day, um, got up the charts. It's still gonna be a while until I get a payout, but hopefully I can just keep up this consistency. Um, as you can see right here, this is how this week is going. So I mean, if I didn't do this, which I don't know what I was doing this day, I actually did hit a 1-to-1 and just held it and then just revenge traded. But excluding this day, which should have been a win, I'd be up about $200. But yeah, it's been pretty good. As you can see, this is what happens when I follow my rules. When my rules are followed, this is what it's gonna see. You're gonna see 200 and $200 losses, and hopefully we can get a 1-to-2, which would be like a $400 win. That will kind of bump us up a little bit quicker. But yeah, it looks like market is just tanking. So looks like the bias might have been wrong, but we still took our piece of the pie today. A little win, but yeah. Tomorrow is Thursday, so we'll be back on the charts on Thursday. If I take a trade, I will upload it. And hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.